Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. For a certain circuit, its power P in watts, current C in amperes, voltage V in volts, and resistance R in ohms are related as C times V cube divided by P equals to square root of P times R, where P, C, V, and R are positive. When R equals to 34, which equation correctly expresses P in terms of C and V? That is, we have to plug in this 34 for R in this equation and solve for P. Okay, now let me plug in this 34 for R in this equation. Then we get C times V cube divided by P equals to, when I plug in 34 for R over here, we'll be getting 34 times P. Okay, now let's get this square root on the right side. For that, we have to square both sides of this equation. Okay, let me do it. Okay, on the right side, the square root and square will cancel out. Here, when I consider the stuff inside the parenthesis, C and V cube are in multiplication and P is in division. Whenever we have quantities are in multiplication and division and there is a common exponent, we can take this exponent separately for each of these three quantities. Then we get C square times V cube the whole square divided by P square. I have taken this exponent too for each of these three quantities separately over here. On the right side, we have 34P. Okay, now let's multiply both sides of this equation by P square to get of the denominator. Okay, now let me do it on the right side. Okay, here this P square will cancel out. We get C square and power is raised to another power. Whenever a power is raised to another power, we can multiply the two exponents. Then we get V to the sixth power equals to 34 times. When I multiply this P and P square, I am getting P cube. Okay, now let me divide both sides of this equation by 34. Then this 34 will cancel out. I am getting C square times V to the sixth power divided by 34 equals to P cube. Okay, our aim is to get P in terms of C and V. So to get P, we have to get of this exponent 3. For that, we have to take cube root on both sides. Okay, let me do it. When I take cube root on both sides, this cube root and this cube will cancel out. So then we get P equals to cube root of C square times V to the sixth power divided by 34. Okay, here I got P in terms of C and V. We got this stuff exactly in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.